If your Ethernet connection is frequently disconnecting on your Windows system, it can be a frustrating experience. This is distinct from Wi-Fi issues, and if you have tried even a basic Ethernet cable and it continues to disconnect, then we need to address it directly. First, ensure that your internet service from your provider is stable. If that is confirmed, try these solutions. Our first step is to run the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Then, go to the System tab. On the list on the left-hand side, select Troubleshooter. In the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters. You will find a list of troubleshooters. Click on Run, corresponding to the Network Adapter Troubleshooter. Next, we will update your network adapter drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the list for network adapters. Locate your Ethernet adapter, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Then, choose Search Automatically for drivers. Another effective solution involves making changes to your driver's power management settings. Again, search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Expand the list for network adapters. Right-click on your Ethernet adapter and select Properties. Navigate to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the box that says, Allow this computer to turn off this device to save power. Click on OK to apply the changes. You will find this option associated with your Ethernet drivers. The final solution, which will almost definitely fix the problem, is a network reset. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to the Network and Internet tab. On the list on the left-hand side, in the right pane, select Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down and click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now, and then click on Yes to initiate the network reset process. A network reset will reset the TCP/IP protocol, reset WinSock, flush DNS, and perform many other actions that are very likely to resolve your Ethernet disconnection issues. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.